You're here. You're here. Oh, man, Johnny.
What's the matter, sugar?
Oh, Johnny. I fucked up. I fucked up real bad.
What'd you do?
I messed up, baby. Promise you won't be mad.
Why? What'd you do?
I'm an addict. I need help.
What the fuck did you do?
How the hell?
You must be Johnny.
Who are you?
My name is not important.
What is this?
Your woman here owes Dmitry Raskolov a lot of money.
Okay.
We need you to do us a favor.
What?
We need you to kidnap someone for us.
Well, I'm not in the kidnapping business, dude.
And I'm not in the dude business, dude. You either do it or Junkie gets killed. Not difficult decision, even for a man stuck in 1960s time warp. It's easy. You grab him and deliver him to warehouse of Lampak in Bohan Industrial.
And this'll pay off her debts?
Well, it pays off interest.
Wonderful.
The name of the man we want is Roman Balak.
Yeah.
He runs a cab business, but hangs around some backroom gambling place on Dillon Street in Shuttler.
I got it.
You find him. You take him. Now, run along.
Ashley, you gotta stop fucking things up. Fuck.
You have arrived.
Shit, gotta move it.
I hope this motherfucker hurries up and loses his money so we can snatch him. We're on the clock here. There he is. Let's get him.
Hello.
Hey, old man, how you doing?
Please, gentlemen. The men in there just took my money. I can't get robbed twice in one day. What do you want, the shirt off my back? Come on!
We're not robbing you, we're taking you.
Oh, no.
Chips have been cashed, Chubby.
No! Wait!
Get in there!
Somebody!
Shut
Stop!
up!
Shut your
help!
fat ass up. Shit for this man.
The money I have wasted the internet for!
Yeah, this biker dude is twisted as all hell, man. By the way, how many guys you killed, son?
You mean like this year? Or in my whole... Somebody looking for a fat Slav with a bladder problem?
So, this is Roman Bellic? Not such a tough guy, eh? What is all this fuss about his cousin?
Listen, buddy. Ashley's square with you now. So do me a favor. Go easy on the fat man. I've seen some of the bodies you people drop in the Humboldt.
Easy, Johnny. You saw the shit stains in the back seat. He's scared enough.
What happens to this shithead is none of your concern. You, come with me.
Shit, Johnny. Yo, I gotta bounce. Be easy, man.